Hello everyone and welcome to Valinkos channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions to fix error 0x800700AA on Windows. And now let's get started. If you are encountering error 0x800700AA on your Windows system, do not worry, as there are several effective solutions to resolve this issue. The first and often simplest solution is to temporarily disable your antivirus software. To do this, search for Windows Security in your Windows search bar and open it. Once Windows Security is open, navigate to the Virus and Threat Protection section from the list on the left-hand side. In the right pane, you will find an option to manage settings. Click on this, and then toggle off real-time protection. Remember to re-enable your antivirus after troubleshooting. The next solution involves ensuring your Windows is up to date. Outdated system files can sometimes lead to various errors. To check for updates, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the list located on the left-hand side. Then, click on the Check for Updates button in the right pane. Install any available updates and restart your computer. Another powerful tool for resolving system errors is a system restore. This will revert your computer's system files and settings to an earlier point in time when the error was not present. To initiate a system restore, search for Recovery in your Windows search bar and open the Recovery tool. From there, click on Open System Restore. Follow the on-screen prompts by clicking Next, and then selecting the desired restore point. Finally, click on Finish, and confirm by clicking Yes to begin the restore process. Disk Cleanup is also a useful utility for freeing up space and removing temporary files that might be causing conflicts. Search for Disk Cleanup in your Windows search bar and open it. Once the Disk Cleanup utility is launched, you may need to open it again to select which drive to clean. Select all the boxes that appear in the list, indicating files you wish to remove, and then click on OK. To proceed with deleting these files, click on Delete Files. Finally, if the above steps do not resolve the error, running a system file checker scan can help. This tool scans for and repairs corrupted system files. Search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar and right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc:/scannow and then press Enter. Allow the scan to complete, as it may take some time. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.